Hey everybody, it's Steve Hughes with Holders Air Conditioning and Heating, and today is a big day for our company. We get to meet the winners of our Healthcare Heroes HVAC giveaway. The Dickerson family lives here in Bakersfield, and Gerrilynn Dickerson is a respiratory therapist for Dignity Health. We get to meet Shane, her husband, and their 2 kids today, and then we'll also follow them as we install that new air conditioning and heating system here in their home in Bakersfield. Come on inside, let's meet the family and learn more about them. Thanks for watching. Okay everyone, here is the Dickerson family, and they are the winners of our Healthcare Heroes HVAC giveaway. Gerrilynn, you are a respiratory therapist for Dignity Health. You entered this contest, and when you found out you had won, what did it mean for your family?
Well, it meant hopefully not hearing our loud AC. It sits by our master bedroom and it kind of rocks a little bit. It's original with the house, and we're completely blessed that we're going to have a new updated system. I mean, so hopefully it'll also save our PG&E bill. Absolutely, it's going to. Before we go any further, can you introduce me to the rest of your family? Yes, this is my husband, Shane Dickerson. Today is our anniversary. Happy anniversary, that's great. Married for 8 years, together for 14. This is our son, Everett, and our daughter, Eleanor. Great. He's 5, she's 2. Oh, that's great. What a great family. Can you, Shane, we'll get to you, but Gerrilynn, can you tell me what your life was like over the 2 years of the pandemic? Well, it was, she was a newborn, he was 3. When the pandemic started, I had Eleanor and I went back to work, about 6 weeks after I had her, and I started at Mercy Hospital. I had transferred from Porterville Hospital, and it was in the middle of COVID, the first wave. Very hard just trying to get people to breathe and try different modalities and just trying to have them fight, and it was hard that families weren't there. So we were there holding their hands and trying to keep them holding on pretty much. So you mentioned the family's not able to come in and see those patients. Yes. And we know that was tough. It was very tough. And you were kind of their liaison between the families, right? Yeah, us. And the patients. Yeah, us, the nurses, CNAs, we're all there for the patients. We know it was difficult on those patients' families, but let's talk about how difficult and hard it was on your family. Well, you know, I would come home and I try not to go into too much detail of what I've been through or what I've seen and what I had to do, and seen a lot of upsetting cases. But I was lucky to have these 2 children and my husband be in the support system. There were up and downs, you know, where I would cry over certain cases that obviously I can't talk about, where, yeah. There were a lot of tough cases out there, but like I said, they were there for me. So, I mean, especially raising 2 kids, I mean, it was living in the moment type thing and being grateful. I had a nice, healthy family, so. Awesome. Well, let's hear from Shane. Shane, I know you had to be a big part of making sure that Gerrilynn got to work every day, and I'm sure you had family members. Can you tell me how it was from your side for those 2+ years? Well, in the beginning, neither one of us, I believe, knew what COVID was going to do for her job in that kind of line of work, especially respiratory therapy. It's a huge part of what happens to patients when they get COVID and who they deal with. But other than that, it was, like she said, you took it day by day, step by step. We have a family to take care of as well, and first and foremost, taking care of Gerrilynn and her mental health when she comes home from those days with the COVID patients is something that we worked on, and we took it day by day. Well guys, on behalf of Holders Air Conditioning and Heating, we just want to congratulate you once again. I couldn't think of a more deserving family, so congratulations. We're going to get started on installing that new HVAC system here probably next week, so we'll still have a few months of summer to go, and I know some 100+ days. So thank you guys so much for entering. Gerrilynn, thank you for doing what you do on the daily basis, and Shane, you have a beautiful family, so thank you guys.